Being asked if I lived in trees in my country was surprising. I was seriously asked if I had a tail like a monkey. I realized that there was something odd about the uneducated English. Then I saw Tarzan on the television and I realized why. I was not seen as human or normal.
We're living in a historic moment in which the idea of being normal is increasingly politicized. Normative assumptions are being challenged and fought over. The script for being normal is always socially constructed. It follows, emerges from context. Several authors in the book draw our attention to the core irony in the notion of being normal, which is that most people don't feel they are normal.
It's not usual to have snow in July. It's not normal for the seasons for that to happen. Saying what is normal in this sense is not saying that it's morally right or good, only what is usual.
Human beings are presumably the only species who are able to consider the question, what is normal? One of my themes is that the self we're always trying to preserve is illusory, and it's a semiotic construction. It's made of words, and it's an illusion.
It's about what can constitute normal for the individual I'm working with. It's about the struggle inside of them to live with the consequences of their history and to find a way to live honestly enough with that and the moralities that they've imbibed.
For me, what is normal is defined as what results from natural phenomena. I'll be looking at our species within the context of the global ecosystem, which it has changed in a radical and unprecedented way.